So I am trying to get this piece together because I have to deliver the show that this is in 2 days. This is a little problem. This I glued last night and the glue's not setting and it was sideways a minute ago, kind of all fallen over like this. It needs to be up. So I can turn this upside down. I mean, right side up. Right now it's upside down. Anyway, super excited about this, but oh my gosh, this is not a good time for things to not work. So I went and got some new glue. I think my old glue was too old. Now I have to be very careful. This is a little frustrating. It is not wanting to really fit, to stay. Oh my gosh. So this has got to be able to stay. Well, I've wedged more tiny shims in here and stuck some glue in there. It's supposed to hold in seconds, but I probably should just walk away, go for a walk. I went for a walk, I had lunch. It's been about 3 hours. It feels pretty stable. And now the moment of truth. Ooh. All right. Woo. All right. Whew. All right, that's one thing. Now I gotta put the rest of it together. Whew.